Ito sa tawel pa. Dito sa na.
Isa pang pair, isa pang pair.
Okay. This is you are going to do. Dapat ang balon ay hindi nyo ilagay sa towel, hindi dapat lagyan na. I-hold nyo ng towel ang inyong balon. So, ang inyong gagawin, you are going to transfer the balloon going there. Okay? That's it. Example. Dapat you are going to touch it. Okay, ready? Sige, try. Yan. Then, another, balik na dito, balik doon. Lahat, example. Sige. Okay. Ready?